On behalf of Talia, I wanted to take just a few minutes and formally welcome you to our delivery teams and customer success. If you're watching this video, you have now successfully passed through the sales process and you are now with my teams who are responsible for taking you along the path to value. Our goal is your success. We say customer success is our success and we take it seriously. Everyone you meet on our team should be focused on that. And if for some reason you find out that someone is not, let us know. We have thick skin. We're here to help you and basically make your value proposition massively big. The next step in the process will be our teams will schedule a kickoff call. This is typically a remote conference call to introduce each other, make sure we're clear on the work plan, the next steps in the process. And then pretty quickly thereafter, we'll get to the on-site workshop. Now with COVID-19 and me here being in my home sheltering in place, probably like you are as well, we've had to do a few of these kickoff calls remotely. That's okay. They've worked surprisingly well, which is great to see. But once we get through all this, we will be back out with you in the field, which we prefer to work through these kind of day sessions on site for the design and the build of the solution. My ask of you is that you engage with our teams in the spirit of open dialogue. It's software and it's enterprise class. First of all, it works. It's in production today, so you don't have to worry about that. But there are decisions to make, and there are process changes, and there's some training to go through, and you'll have some bumps and bruises. And we're here to help you get through that. So if something doesn't feel right or you're frustrated, have an open dialogue. We'll do the same, and let's make sure our teams stay on track. Ultimately, like I said, we're here for your success, and if we keep the lines of communication open, that can work exceedingly well. One thing I wanted to point out is we do a series of surveys throughout the customer lifecycle. One will start here right after sales. You'll get a quick little, 2 or 3 question survey that asks basically how did we do during the sales process. To some degree, I guess you decided to choose us, so we may have done okay at least, but we want to know how we can improve the sales process, what your experience was with us during that, and if there's areas to improve, we want to. Similarly, when we get through the implementation, technical integration part, we'll ask another 2 or 3 question survey. How are we doing? How did the technical integration work? Did you feel like we heard you? Did we build the solution to meet your needs? So they're super short surveys, but they're important. In fact, our whole company has a piece of their compensation based on how we do on these, which is great. It makes us laser focused on being in front of our customers and doing a good job. So take 2 or 3 minutes, fill these out through the life cycle, and of course, if you have something to communicate outside of the survey, pick up the phone, give me a call, because I'm right here in my home, ready to answer your phone call anytime. So thanks again. Again, congratulations on getting through the sales process. Welcome to customer success, and we're happy to have you.